Hi guys, how are you all?
Good.
Good.
Okay. Nikita, what are you learning in school, ma?
Right now we're learning surface area, but we're about to finish that and learn volume of cylinders.
Okay, that's nice. That's nice. So were you able to do the homework, ma?
Um, no. Did you it wasn't like it said it was like protected.
Oh yeah, sorry guys. Okay, my mom is not well and I had to
Be
travel home
quiet.
and it's such a mess.
Be
I'm so
quiet.
sorry about it. I could not rectify
Be
it.
quiet.
Yeah,
Class is starting.
that was my problem. Okay. I could not get to it at all. Okay. So let's see.
Oh, Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
could you just text me real quick?
Yeah, yeah. What should I do?
Just like text me like in the chat.
Yeah, for your answers, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I'll definitely do. Give me a minute. I didn't get to it at all, guys. Okay, that's why I could not get to it. What was the problem? Okay, so
Can
you
you
could.
text me too?
Yeah, I will, ma. Right away, I will. Give me a minute. Are you all logging from iPad?
Yeah.
See, okay, that's okay. That's okay. I will do it. Now, guys, the thing is, some of you were able to do the homework, right? So, did you, those of you who wanted to print, you could not, huh? Meaning, I just want to know what was the problem.
I wasn't able to print or write on it.
Yeah.
Print or
It was like a protected file, so you couldn't really do much about it.
okay. I'm sorry, I did not get to it, guys. Okay, wait.
It's all right.
Right away, I'll fix the problem, but let me see how to fix it. I don't know how to fix it. Or I can see it with you guys. Okay, G78, right? Now, I just want to continue with volume today, but having said that, right, I don't know how to fix this. Let's see. Maybe I'll share with you. You guys are too good with this. Let's see. See, I put students can view the file. What else to do?
You should put students can edit the file so you can actually like work on it.
No. If I put edit, you know what? Kids will start writing on the file. I have had kids that wrote on the original file. I don't want that.
Oh, okay.
Okay, one thing what you can do is you can download Srihari and then edit and re-upload.
When
Make sense?
It doesn't let us do that either. I don't think so.
It doesn't let you do that. Okay.
I couldn't write or print.
Okay. Let's fix it somehow. Wait. Let I don't know what to do. Let's see. I don't know what made it like that as well. Usually doesn't. I think I know, but how to find this file, guys? I don't know. Let's see.
Wait, Miss Priya.
Yeah.
I have some questions on the homework. Can we answer them?
Go over it. Yes, Sama. 1 minute. Wait. Let's see. Let's put a find. No, not in the document, right? Can view, can edit. Okay, let's see. Oh, I know what was the problem. I think I know what was the problem. Okay, I think I know what was the problem, guys. Let me show you what was the problem. You can as well learn. Share. Okay, this. This was the. This was the problem, guys. Got it? Now, can one of you check, please? Now, let me save it. Yeah. Can one of you check now, please? Can one of you please check and let me know? And Vihan, you can go ahead and let me know the questions that you had. Naman, were you able to do the homework?
Yeah. I had a question on number 8 and number 15.
Number 8 and 15. Naman, I had a question to you. Were you
And
able to get to
14.
the Naman, were you able to get to the previous homework?
Yeah.
Miss Priya, it works.
I didn't finish it, but I got to it.
You didn't? Okay. Oh, okay. So were you able to access those? Let me put it in a different way.
Let me check.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, Miss Priya, you still didn't text me.
What is it?
You didn't text me.
Yes, I didn't text you. I know. I didn't text
I'm
you.
able to access it.
Okay, ma. Thanks. Sorry, guys. Okay. This week, bear with me. Next week, I'll make sure I give you more time. Okay.
Miss Priya, I
Srihari.
also have a few questions. Can I ask after he finishes?
Absolutely, ma. I would love for you to ask in class. Sreshta, you also check, ma. Usually check once, ma, whether you're able to access. And who else should I message first before I start? Who else I should message,
Me.
guys?
Me.
Me, Christian.
Christian.
Okay. Yeah, no problem. I saw. Johan, what are you doing in school?
We're doing circles.
Oh, okay, so it's easy for you, right, Johan?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good to know. Pranav? Netra, video on, ma, please.
Volume.
I don't know what's
Volume.
wrong with my video. Can you give me a few minutes? I'll fix it and come back.
No problem, Netra. As long as you're listening, that's fine. And Shruti, what are you doing?
We just started surface area today.
Oh, nice. Good for you. Okay. So let me go with the eighth problem. Let me make it a little bigger for Vihan. Garrett made a toy box for his younger sister. The inside of the entire toy box, including the lid, is okay, 15-inch wide. Okay, so it's going to be what type of a solid it is, guys? The toy box. What type of a solid is the toy box?
I think rectangle.
Rectangular prism.
Yep. Sorry, Srihari, what was that?
Oh, same thing. What you said.
Okay. So 15:30. I did not hear you. Okay, 12. Okay, now Garrett wants to, all in inches. Okay. This is the problem, guys. So here, this is a very tricky question. I'll tell you why. Because the given dimensions are in inches. Shruti, did you get to this homework, Shruti?
No, I wasn't able to. Oh wait, which one?
No. The entire homework, were you able to?
No, I wasn't able to access it.
Okay, I'm sorry, ma. Okay. I'll give you more time, guys. So, this is one tricky problem. See, when you look at it right, you're given the units in inches and you're asked in feet square, right? See, that's the biggest trouble here. So, for this rectangular prism, Garrett wants to line the inside, including the lid, with purple cloth. So, basically, they're asking for the surface area of the cylinder, correct? Now, what is the surface area of the cylinder? Meaning, can one of you help me? Devansh, go ahead and, I don't want formulas, Devansh, but how to find the surface area of the cylinder?
You would get the circumference and then times the circumference with the height of the
Okay, so circumference times height gives what, ma?
the it'll give you the lateral surface area.
Good, lateral surface area of the cylinder. Then you add that with what, Srihari?
You should add that with the area of the circles, like both of them.
Area, yeah, good. Area of two circles. Good job. So I'm going to add this because they have a lid, right? Now the problem is inch is given. They've asked in feet. One thing, guys, one best thing is convert to feet right at the start. You can convert to feet right at the start. If you convert to feet right at the start, you won't have a problem at all. See, the thing is, otherwise, what happens, I'll tell you. Let's go ahead and find the circumference of the circle. 2 pi r. Okay. 2 pi. So this is going to be a cylinder. This is going to be rectangular prism, right? It's not a cylinder. I'm sorry. Let me put it properly. Sorry, Srihari. Then it will change a little bit, right?
Yeah.
So You could have told me, right, guys, including the box. Yeah, so that's going to be side areas. Side areas means what? Right, left, front, back, right? And
Yeah.
then finally top, bottom. So all this I'm going to add, right? For that, I'm going to multiply, so here. So it's going to be 15 times 30. That's, let me write it down, guys. 15-inch wide, 30-inch long, 15-inch wide, 30-inch long, and how much tall? 12-inch tall. So guys, can you all help me? What is the top? What is the area of the top? What is the area of the top?
15 times
15 times
30.
30.
Yep. Okay. So let me go ahead with top. One of you, you're going to do it and tell me. 15 times 30, we are all doing it in inch square. Okay. Bottom is also the same, right? Bottom is again the same. 15 times 30. Then what? Right, how much is it?
15 times 12.
Yep, 15 times 12. Left also, can I say that?
Yep.
Left is 15 times 12. Vihan, you're going to calculate and tell me the answer. And
Okay.
then, okay, now we did top, bottom, right, left, front. Devansh, can you tell me what is front and back? Devansh and Pranav?
Front.
Hmm?
Oh, what's that
What is
number?
the area of the front and the back?
Wait, what is that number? By 15. Is that 30?
30.
Okay.
30 times
12.
That is 30
12.
times 12.
12 inch
And
square,
then
so 30
back
times.
is
See, this
30.
one you all know very nicely, okay? So now the problem is converting inch square to feet square. Wait, guys, let me show you. Suppose I want to convert 12 inch. You all know that 12 inch is 1 feet, right? But the thing is, they've given, let's say you want to convert, what to say, how about this? If you want to convert to feet, right? Okay, what is the total answer here? Let me put the same number. This one. What is the total answer here if you add all that in? I really want you to calculate and tell me, guys. I don't want to do. So it'll be
15
4.
times 15 times 12 is 180.
Okay, so 450 plus 450 plus 12 times 15 is what, Amma? I don't know.
12
times
times 15 is 180.
180. So 180 is what? 360, right? And then 30 times 12 is 12 threes are 36, 360. 360 plus 360. So that is 780. So can you add all of this and say what is the answer? One of you, you're going to tell me, guys. I'm not going to do. So 900, 780, 360. 10. Is this right, guys? 2040 inch square is right?
Yeah.
Now, after that, right, see, 12 inch is 1 feet, right? You all know that 12. See, here there is inch square. It really makes sense to have inch square. Inch square means to convert 1 inch, right? I'm sorry. To convert 1 inch. Suppose if it is 1 inch, it is 1 by 12 of a feet. Are you all with me, guys? Okay, now the problem is inch square is there. Let's say 2040 inch square means inch times inch. So, Jashwita, are you following, Jashwita?
Yeah.
Now, to convert one of these inches to feet, you'll have to multiply by 1 by 12 feet, right? Similarly, to convert this inch, you have to convert it to 1 by 12 feet. See? That inch I'm converting to 1 by 12 feet and then multiplying with 2040. So what happens here? 2040 by 144 feet square. Any questions here, guys?
No.
When
Wait,
you
so you
convert,
get 144 because it's inch squared?
no, it's 12 times 12, Amma.
Because the inch is equal to 12 feet. I mean, sorry. Wait.
Correct. See, 1 inch is 1 by 12 feet. So for every inch, you're going to convert to a feet.
So you do 1
Right.
over 12 times 1 over 12?
Correct.
And then you do that over 2040?
Correct.
Okay.
Makes sense. See, the thing is, okay, the other alternative is what? Right away, here itself convert to feet. You will convert this inch to feet, this inch to feet. Meaning, see, each of the face will have 2 inch to be two different inches to be converted to feet. Am I making sense, guys? But instead, what I did was I just added it in inch square. Finally, got it in inch square, and then there were 2 inches, right? So each of the inches I have to convert it to feet square. Make sense? Now, please, one of you with a calculator, 2040 by 144 is what? What is 2040 by 144? Guys, you're going to do it. 8 point?
36.
Definitely it's wrong, right?
It said 14.66.
Like 14.
Then something is wrong.
I did 244.
14.16 repeating.
Then it's definitely wrong, right? No.
It's 14.166.
Yeah, but did we do this properly? Is this correct, Vihan? 2040? Johan, can you calculate and tell me totally?
Yeah, I also got if I add them up, I got 2040 too.
So 2040 divide by 12 divide by 12, 144. 2040 divide by, let me see, guys. 2040 divide by 12 divide by 12 is 14.1. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, the inside of the toy box including the lid is okay. Garrett wants to line the inside including the lid with purple cloth. How many square feet? Correct. So 30 times 15 we did, and then 30 times 15 we did, 15 times 12 we did. Guys, you can as well pick up mistakes.
Wait, we might not include the bottom.
Why? The inside he has to line up, right? Garrett wants to line the inside. Is it not, huh?
Maybe we add extra for the lid.
Which one, ma?
Do we add extra for the lid?
Do we add?
Extra for the lid, or is that just the top of the box?
Top of the box we calculated, right, ma? So see here, top, bottom. Let's see, top we calculated, bottom we calculated, right, left, front, back we calculated. That is correct. How many square feet of cloth should you?
In the homework, it says the answer is C.
13.75. Okay. Oh, and we got what, ma?
14.16.
Okay. But it cannot be that far, guys. 1 minute. Wait, Garrett made a toy box. Okay, the entire including. Okay, let's see. Okay, I want to verify the C. The other way is, let's do one more time. If we get 14.166 repeating, whatever we got, then we are correct. Let's see this one. Okay, now I'm going to convert. One of you tell me what is 15 inch to feet, guys. One of you tell me what is 15 inch to feet. This is the other way to
3
check.
inches.
1 and 3 inches.
Okay, no. Please, in decimal, guys.
1.25.
1?
25.
1.25. Okay, 1.25 feet. 30 inches. Krishiv, can you tell me what is 30 inches?
30 inches is 2.5.
2.5 feet. 12 inches. 1 feet, right? Now, convert everything to feet. Now, let's multiply the two. One of you tell me what is 1.25 times 2.5?
3.75.
3.75. Okay, good. And then the last one, 1.25 times 1 times 2 is 2.5. So now we did add everything. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is going on? Okay,
1.25 times 2.5
1.2.5 times 2.5 is not
3.125.
3.7. Yeah, 3.125. It's not 3.7.
Yeah, 3. Okay, oh, I see. 3.125, yeah, here. See, in that case, times 2 is what? 6.250. 6.250. This one is 2.5 times 2 is 5. And then 1.25 times 2 is 2.5. So we should be good, guys. Let's see.
It should be C. It should be 13.75.
13.75. But in this case, why did we not get the other way, ma? That doesn't make any sense to me. Then we made a mistake. This is correct. Okay, that's great. Okay. But 30 times, can one of you tell me 30 times 50? Let me do it once, guys, because I don't want to leave it like this. 450, right? 30 times 15, 30 times 12, 30 times 12 is 360. Then 15 times 12, 18, right, Vihan? You said it's 15 times 12 is what?
180.
180. So multiply everything by 2, 900. 360 plus 360 is what, Mas? Oh, 720. I wrote it as 780. 180 plus 180,
360.
360, 80. See, this was the mistake, guys. 1980. Now 1980 inch square, right? When you convert it to feet square, what did I tell you? Each inch, 1980 inch times inch, right? So 1980 times 1 by 12 times 1 by 12. Can one of you calculate using the calculator and tell me? The problem was I wrote this as 780 instead of 720. Can you tell me 1980 by 12 times 12?
13.75.
13.75.
Yeah, you all got it, guys? Okay, so we got it. Then let's go to 15. What other questions you had? Netra, you can as well ask, ma. Okay, I want one of you to lead and help with me. Okay, now CanCorp is determining the cost of labels for new cans with the dimensions shown below. So it's a cylinder, guys. The label for each can will wrap around the side of each can. So they are asking with no overlap. What is the approximate area of one label? So what is that we need to calculate, Naman? What should we calculate here? What surface area should we calculate?
The lateral surface area.
Nice, nice, nice. Lateral surface area. If it's a lateral surface area, then for the cylinder, right, we already said for the circle, it's going to be, for the for the lateral surface area means it's going to be a rectangle. So 2 pi r is going to be the top and then the height times height, right? So it's going to be 2 times pi times r is 7 and then height is 12. So that's going to be easy. What is the question you had, Vihan? Vihan?
Oh, I think I might have. Oh, wait. I kind of didn't understand how to like do the cylinder, like how to get this.
Okay. But did you get it? Why we are doing this? Because
Yeah.
let's say you cut out the cylinder, right? This circle is going to become the circumference. It's going to be rolled out means it's going to be the 2 pi r and then the height. So 2 pi r times h is 2 pi r h. Make sense? Okay.
But don't
So
we
that
have to do
will
the lateral surface area, which is excluding the top, the bottom and the top?
absolutely, ma. Why I'll tell you. The label for each can will wrap around the side of the can with no overlap. Did that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Jashwita, did you get that? I didn't
Yeah.
compute, guys. I just stopped it as one at 168 pi. You will have to multiply that. You can use a calculator, but I won't. As a student, I won't. I would have manually calculated it.
Actually,
I have a question on
What was?
question. I have a question on question 32.
32. 32. I don't. Did I give you 32 as well?
I
Yeah,
think you said 32. Yeah, you
I'm
said to go
confused
for
between
32.
No, yeah.
32.
No problem. If I have given, definitely I'll solve. No problem. But if we didn't go over, we can go over now. Surface area for baseball. Sorry guys. Did we go over spheres?
No.
I'm sorry. Then I should not have given you this. Okay. So, Jashwita, I'll go over this, Jashwita. If you had covered till sphere, I did not.
Another
Then
question on 18.
18 we'll solve because that was done. 18. I finished with the 18. Okay. 18 is the net of what, Arya Sricharan? You're muted.
The net is it's a net of a cylinder.
Yep, it's that of a cylinder. So, what is the question here, Netra?
It's asking for the surface area of the can.
Yeah. So surface area of a cylinder, how will you calculate? You tell me.
You
Go ahead.
first you find the area of the circles,
Uh-huh.
and then you find the area of the rectangle, making up the rounding part of the cylinder.
Yep, that's
For
it,
and for
right?
this,
So what was your question there? Area of two circles, the area of the top circle, they've already given that. So two circles is 5.3 times 2. And then 2 pi r h, right? Circumference times the height, right? But the problem here is uh, they have given only the area of the top circle. Pi r square will be equal to 5.3. Now, can one of you tell me how to find out r square? Shrestha, you want to lead and tell us how to find r square?
You can use pi as 3 and divide 5 point. Wait,
Oh, okay. Okay, that's fine, ma. I'll go with you. 3.14 r square will be equal to 5.3. Go ahead.
so then you divide 5.3 by 3.14.
Yep, that becomes what, ma?
Um,
I'll wait. Calculate and say. Done? Yeah, I want to show you some videos as well today. Let's go ahead. Did you get Masreshta?
1.68.
Yeah.
1.6. So when r square is 1.68, what is r, guys? How will you calculate?
Use square root.
Yep, use square root on both sides. What is the square root of 1.68? What is the square root of 1.68?
1.29 and then it keeps going.
1.29. Good job. So that is the area. 2 pi 1.29 and the height is what? Oh, they have not given. Oh, one. See, they've given. Oh my gosh. This is 1 square unit, right? This is 1 square unit. Oh, they've already given the area of that. You don't need to calculate. So now, guys, I understand what is your question. How to calculate the area of this? Arya Sricharan, do you want to say? Or Johan, do you want to say?
It's
How to
12.
calculate the you don't need any of these because they've already given this directly. What is that? What is the lateral surface area?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Yeah.
9,
The square
10,
units
12, 12.
of the circles.
Yep, 12. Yeah, you already got it. So add these two. That's it. Can we move on, guys?
Wait,
Yeah.
Miss
Any
Priya,
other?
is that 5.3 or is that 5 times 3?
Okay, that's a good question. Okay. One thing, guys, this is what I was going on with my fourth graders. See, there's a difference between this and this. Do you all see what is the difference between this and this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
5.3 and
That
5
says
times
lower.
3.
5.3 and
Yep.
5.
This one is a decimal. Okay. This one is a product. Makes sense? Multiplication. Makes sense, guys? The thing is, if it's on the line right, it's a decimal. If it's in the middle of the line right, it's a product. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a new thing. That's a new thing in the sense we might not have come across, but we should know. Okay. Okay. Can I move? Any other questions on the homework? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Now
Number 18.
18. Okay. Now I'll go. 18. 18 is what we covered now,
Oh,
ma.
sorry.
Srihari.
Yeah.
Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. So the main thing let's see, sphere we did not do. Surface area of a sphere I want to do. Surface area of a sphere and a hemisphere I definitely want to do. Okay, and then what else? It's a good one. Okay, let's see. Okay, guys, you know what a sphere is?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Circle.
Okay.
it's
Yeah.
a
A pretty circle.
Yep, that's nice. So let's go to surface area of a sphere. The thing about sphere is it's just rounded, right? It's just a round. You can't even calculate the area. 1 minute. I'm just trying to share my screen with you. Okay. You're able to see the screen? Wide screen?
Uh-huh.
we're able
Okay.
to see.
Uh-huh. How to calculate the surface area of a cylinder of a sphere? Any thoughts? You know the area of circle, okay? Area of the circle is pi r square, that we know. But how to find the area of a circle? Can I assume that this consists of 4 circles, guys?
Yeah.
Can I assume the entire sphere consists of 4 circles so that I can have 4 pi r square? Now I have a big question for you. Let me see who gets it right. Suppose I have a hemisphere which is half. This is a hemisphere which is half of the circle. So what should be the surface area of the hemisphere?
Wouldn't it be just
Pi r
2
squared.
r square?
Half of that. Squared.
2 pi r
You
squared.
think it's pi r square?
2 pi.
What is
2 pi r squared.
2 pi r square? Okay, that's nice. That's a good guess. Okay, so what did you do to do that? Surface area of a sphere, you halved it to get the hemisphere. But is that right? Think about it a little more.
No,
You missed something. What was that?
because 2 pi r squared is like the.
Because wouldn't the top also be
2 pi r square is what?
Would it be
Like the area of a circle? Or no,
Yeah,
that,
wouldn't if you cut that, like, wouldn't that be like a rectangle?
Oh, good thought, guys. Good thought. Yeah, but then we are almost there. We don't need to cut and go there. But then, see, half of it is this. This is itself 2 pi r square. So what is the surface area of a hemisphere?
So would it be 3?
Ah, exactly. Plus pi r square is added. Why it is added? To cover for this.
Oh.
Make sense? So it is 3 pi r square. Make sense, guys?
would a circle have 6 circles? Like a sphere have 6 circles? And
See,
that
we are considering sphere as 4 circles, ma. That is why it's 4 pi r square. Got it?
Well, is it
Yeah.
always 4? Is
Yeah,
it
ma.
always
For a
circles?
sphere, it is always 4 pi r square. Okay, but then immediately see, even if I am asked, right, what is the surface area of a sphere? I tend to say 2 pi r square. It's not. Why? Because we are cutting and adding a base. Base is an area of pi r square. So that gets added, making it 3 pi r square. Make sense?
So then would the total surface area of the sphere be 6 pi r square?
Good one. I come again with your question. Why? Okay, I'm seeing. Why are you asking? Yes.
I guess no,
The-
but you would remove the bases. That's why. Is that why it would be 4 pi r square?
Or
One minute. What is 4 pi r square, Vihan? There is some confusion. What is 4 pi r square, Vihan?
For the sphere.
For the sphere, it's 4. We are
Yeah,
consider.
I know, but like I'm saying, like for the if you add 2 hemispheres together, it would if
Maybe-
it's 6 pi r squared, well, you would just remove the 2 bases, right?
Exactly. When I add that in, right, meaning when I just close a box, right? Close the box. Close this box that's shown. Okay, the bases will go inside. We should not be including that in the surface area. So in the 6 pi r square, the 2 pi r square has to be subtracted, making it 4 pi r square.
4
Make
pi r
sense?
square.
Yep.
Yeah.
Can I move on? So if you understand this, you don't have to memorize formulas. Can I move on? Okay, now the biggest thing about volume is only you don't need to memorize any formula for 3D solids, okay? Make it very easy on you, okay? Here, let's see. You know how to find the area, guys? We have learned it in which grade? 6th, 5th. What is 5th or 6th we learned? What is the how to find the volume of a prism?
4.
Guys, I'm only talking about prisms. Prisms means a cylinder.
base times height.
See that, don't go by that formula, meaning you have thought about the base area times.
The height.
Yep.
Base times
See,
height.
yeah, take this as a slab. The slab, so many layers of slab you keep. One layer, 2 layer. The height number of layers you keep. Think of it like that. Then it is base area times height. This is your base formula which applies to every prism. Prism means um, the side is like parallel, right?
Yeah.
If you memorize this, you don't have to memorize any other formula. Base area times height. Base may be a rectangle, maybe a triangle, maybe a trapezoid, maybe a hexagon, maybe a pentagon. come what may, you're going to find the base area. Any questions for me? Any questions for me? Now, I have a question for you. What is this object? What is this shape?
Pentagon.
What?
Pentagon.
A pentagonal prism.
Yep, pentagonal prism. So here, guys, the thing is pentagonal prism. We want to find the volume of this. I am not a good artist. Let's see. Okay, I drew. Okay, now for this prism, right, so then see here, each of this will start having different formulas. Don't memorize at all. You know base area times height, but unfortunately the base is a pentagon. So how to find the area? This is the only go ahead.
Would you split it into a trapezoid?
Two trapezoids.
I really like that, but if they don't give any, I really like your idea of making it into a trapezoid and a triangle. All that stuff is great, but if they don't give you, you're treating it as a composite solid, which is really nice. But if they don't give any of these, you know, this perpendicular distance from the center, right? This perpendicular distance from the center to the base, that makes this 90-degree angle. This line, this distance is called apothem. It's called apothem. Okay. Now area of the polygon is half times perimeter times apothem. P is the perimeter of the polygon. A is the apothem length. So just this I really want you to memorize. Be it any polygon, this will hold good. Okay. If they say it's a regular polygon, what is that, Devansh? What is a regular polygon?
A regular polygon is an enclosed like shape.
Equals?
Wait, what?
What is a regular polygon?
Enclosed shape. It's a closed shape technically.
Closed shape is a polygon, but what is a regular polygon? Guys, anybody can answer.
It has no dimension to it.
It has equal sides and equal angles.
That's better. Equal sides and equal angles. All the sides are equal. That's what it means. So, the area of a polygon is half times perimeter times apothem. Regular polygon means all the sides are equal. So basically it's very easy. They'll give the side and then calculating the perimeter is easy. 4 times 5, right? So 20, and apothem length, if they give it as 6, you just multiply that. So area of a polygon is very easy. So base area, whatever be the base, calculate the base area. If it's a trapezoid, calculate the area of the trapezoid times the height. Okay, you'll never make mistakes if you go with that. But now coming to the volume, I told you any prism shaped object, a cylinder, I would consider it as a circular prism. Correct, guys? Now let's see. I'm going to give you this. What is the volume of this, guys? See, please don't memorize formulas. What is the volume of this? The base thing for volume of any prism is what? Base area times height. You know how to calculate this. Quickly tell me, all of you in chat. You can answer in terms of pi. You don't have to use calculators. Answer in terms of pi. Answer in terms of pi. Can we try? What is answering in terms of pi, Jeshwita? Do you know what it is?
2 pi r squared.
Yeah, ma. Pi r square, correct. And then? Pi r square is what, ma? No, what is answering in terms of pi? What does it mean?
The answer is in pi.
Yeah, answer will have pi as a number in it. You don't need to further calculate. Yeah, Nikita, what was the answer for this, ma?
I'm solving it right now.
Yeah, Shrestha, correct, ma.
Some answer.
Wait.
Vihan,
Should I put it?
Me calculate Vihan. Yeah, correct, Vihan. Naman, how did you get a 20, Naman? Can you tell me?
I just did base times height. I just took 4 and multiplied it by 5.
Oh, you also did the same thing, Pranav. Oh no, Pranav, you're right. Naman, you can't do that, right, Naman? What? It's not a rectangle, right? To do 4 times 5. Do you see what I mean, Naman?
Yeah.
So what you should do for the volume, base area times height, I'm saying, right? So what is the base area, Naman? Oh, circles you have not studied. Okay. For the circle, the area is pi times r times r. So we call it as pi r square. R is given. So it is 16 pi. Naman, is it making sense?
Yeah.
So the base area is 16 pi. What is the height? Height is 5. So that is 80 pi. Thing is, here guys, suppose let's say this is centimeter. Here, base area is expressed as centimeter square and then height is expressed in centimeter. So what should be the volume unit? Centimeter? How many centimeters are there? Cube. Yep. You all got it? Okay, now if I give you a prism, I'm sure you will be able to calculate the volume. Okay, I'm now going to go to a pyramid, but before we go to a pyramid, right, instead of directly going to pyramid, I really want to once iron out. I really want to once check some problems, okay. For prism, first, if we understand only, you can go there. So let's see. Netra, are you following, ma?
Yes.
Okay, good. I want a little bit of a difficult problem. I'm not considering pyramids, okay? I'm just considering. Okay, how about this? Yeah, this is a good one. Okay. This one. How about this? Let's do this one. You're going to do by yourself. So, what is the guys? You don't memorize any formula. You don't need any formula. Okay, if they ask for the volume, what will you do? The base, oh, this is a pyramid. Oh, sorry guys, you can't do this yet. You can't do this because it's a pyramid, right? Give me a minute. I don't think you can do. Okay, how about this? This is a good one, guys. What is the volume of a cylinder? You all know. It's easy to calculate, right? But I want you to think about this problem. We'll do this later, okay? We'll do the second problem. We are not going to do the first problem. We are not yet there, okay? We are going to do this problem, okay? Okay, guys. How are we going to calculate this volume of this container? What does it mean to say volume of this container? How to calculate the volume? Ishan, you tell me, Ishan. You have been keeping too quiet. Anybody, please help Ishan.
Okay, so if the diameter is 3, that means the
Radius is
the
one.
ball, yeah, the radius is 1.5, and that
Okay.
it should be the same for the balls
But
too.
the
right?
height of the container would be 9 then, right?
Very nice.
Because
Nice
if the
job,
radius
Nikita.
is 3.
Yes, that is the deal. Radius is 3 means the container has a height of
9.
9. I'm sorry, if the diameter is 3, the entire container is 3 plus 3 plus 3. So, as a result, the height is 9. Okay?
Wait, why would it be 3 plus 3 plus 3? Like,
Okay.
Because the diameter of each circle is 3.
This
And
is
then you
3.
add them all up to get 9.
This is 3. This is 3. What is the height of the container, Vihan?
3 plus 3 plus 3.
Yeah, does it make sense?
Yeah.
Makes okay, good. Okay, so now please again don't memorize formula. Okay, what is it's very easy. Volume is what? Base area times height, right? So you know base is a cylinder. I'm sorry, circle. So what is the base area?
Pi square.
R square.
R
Yeah,
square.
pi r square. So it's easy. So here
Oh,
1.5 is 2.25 pi.
Okay, so
Right, this is the base area times what is the height times 9. That's it. 9 5s are 45, 4 9s are 18, 22, 2 9s are 8, 9, 20, 20.25 pi. Make sense, guys?
Yes.
Again, how will you calculate the unit, guys? Inch cube. Please don't make a mistake here. Inch cube. So now, if they want it in feet cube, what will you do, guys?
You divided
Wait, Miss
by
Priya,
12 because
is
Divided by 12. 1 minute, Vihan. Divide by 12 how many times? Okay.
Times.
This is
3
3 times.
3 times.
3 times. So 20.25 you'll divide by 12. And one more time you divide by 12. I'm multiplying by 1 by 12.
Or
Multiply
you
by 1 by
divide by 36.
Amma, 1 minute, 1 minute. You're making a mistake. It's not 12 times 3. It's 12 times 12 times 12.
Oh, okay, I see.
You realize it? Okay, that's a common mistake. Not a problem at all. But do you get it, Nikita?
Yeah.
Yeah, so be careful. It's not 12 times 3. Every inch you're calculating to feet. Every inch means it was inch cube. Inch times inch times inch. Each inch you're calculating to a feet, and you already had this 20.25. So 20.25 you'll divide by 12, divide by 12, divide by 12. Any questions? Okay, so that's a challenge. Usually converting feet square to inch square, meter square to centimeter square. To calculate meter to centimeter square, what will you do? Each meter is 100 centimeter, right? Meter square to centimeter square, you have to multiply by 100, multiply by 100, multiply by 100 two times. So it's always like each centimeter you're converting to meter, or each meter you're converting to centimeter. Now, volume of a sphere we understood. I really want, Vihan, sorry Vihan, you said you wanted to say something.
yeah, you answered it.
Okay, great. Okay, now I really want to go show you a video. Okay, this one again, when you come to geometry, I'll be asking you, hey, did we see the video, right? Do you all remember? That's what we discuss in geometry class. But I want you to see the video and then talk to me. We discussed volume of a pyramid. I'm sorry, volume of a prism, right? Let's see. You're going to see something. Let's see. You're going to give me a minute, okay? Yeah. So I'm ready to share. I'll share. It's not even a few minutes. I don't want a 6-minute video, guys. Wait. Yeah, this is good. 1 minute video is good.
Have you noticed?
Oh my God,
how
I'm sorry.
You
Wait.
keep delaying the things that matter most to you.
Sorry.
You plan your book.
This one we'll watch. I'll ask you questions.
Is this a video where the area is 1/3 of the cube?
Are we calculating the area or volume?
Volume.
Volume, because how much liquid can be contained is volume. They're showing something. They're not talking, but they're showing something. What did they show, guys?
So, one cube.
One second, please. Let me check it.
Volume.
Sorry.
So one cube has this many like if it was a proportional, one cube would have like the same volume as the 3 pyramids.
One good job. So for a prism, right? Let me reshare the screen. I'm going to directly give you a problem. So please listen, and I really want correct answers from you all in this case, since we are going to discuss this in detail. Okay, so what did we learn now? So basically, I didn't share my screen, looks like. I don't know what is going on. Sorry, 1 minute, ma'am. Notes. Are you seeing the whiteboard?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So basically, let's say, see, the thing is, let's say a rectangular prism versus a pyramid. The same rectangular pyramid. Let's compare both. What did they say? Suppose if I have the rectangular prism volume as V, what is the pyramid's volume? Arya Sricharan, you tell me. The thing is, rectangular prism with the same base, same height. The base is exactly the same in a pyramid and a prism. That is the constraint. If they both are exactly the same, base and the height is exactly the same. Height of the pyramid is as well h. Okay, this one, the base is also the same. Base is exactly the same. In this case, suppose if the rectangular prism volume is V, what is the pyramid's volume? Arya, tell me.
It'd be 1/3 V.
Good job, V by 3. Suppose if my rectangular pyramid is VP or VPY, what is the prism's volume? Anybody, one of you, please try to say.
VPY.
3 times 1 pi.
3 times VPY. Did you all get it? But this 100% there'll be a question in wherever it is in 7th grade or 8th grade, whatever you're studying, there will be a question on this. They will compare a pyramid and a prism volume. Okay, there will be a tricky question on that. So once you understand 3 of the pyramids will go into the prism, then it becomes so easy. Okay, now a common mistake that everybody does is they will show you a pyramid. They will ask you for the volume. Do you have a formula? Yes, you have, but don't memorize. How will you calculate the volume of a pyramid? You tell me. Let's say the same rectangular, we don't want a rectangular pyramid. Let's say, okay, let's say a cylinder and a cone. Cylinder and a cone is as well the same, right? Cylinder is a prism, cone is the pyramid. So let's compare their volumes. The height is h, radius. You don't need to memorize formulas. If you understand 3D shapes are so easy. Now the thing is, how will you calculate the volume of a cone? What do you think? What do you think of a pyramid? How will you calculate? Yeah, any thoughts?
The volume cylinder.
Yep, volume of the cylinder.
By 3.
Yes, divide by 3. Yeah, what is the volume of the cylinder? You know that already. Base area?
Times height.
Yeah, base area times height divide by 3. That's all. Wherever it is. Okay, rectangular prism, rectangular pyramid, trapezoidal prism, trapezoidal pyramid. Everything you calculate think of the pyramid as a prism and then divide it by 3. Make sense? Don't memorize formulas, okay? It won't help because now you'll memorize after 2 years when you sit for the PSAT or SAT, right? What is the formula? You'll keep asking, and it's so confusing sometimes if they don't give proper parameters. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. What is the volume of the rectangular pyramid? Based on what we discussed, right? You can go ahead and do. Well, please answer in inch cube. Answer in inch cube. Inch cube, yeah. Please send the answer.
I don't understand.
Who was that? Who was that?
Krishiv.
Yeah, Krishiv. What did you not understand how to calculate, huh?
Yeah, because like a pyramid would
No
be...
problem. We are here to discuss. I just wanted to make sure. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, Krishiv. Where is that you're missing?
A pyramid would be 1/3 of a cube, right? So
good. Pyramid is 1/3 of a cube. Wait. It's not a cube, right? Is it a cube, Krishiv?
No.
Is the base a cube? What is the base?
Yes, the base is like, it would be a cube.
Right.
Base is a rectangle?
What do you think? He says it's a rectangle. You're saying a rectangle, correct?
A rectangular prism pyramid.
Yeah, you all already got it. So we want to calculate the volume of the rectangular pyramid. But we said pyramid, we don't need to worry at all. We will think of it as a prism, and without fail, we will divide by 3. Right, Krishav? Does that give you a clue? Krishiv, does that give you a clue?
Yes.
Oh, good. Go ahead. I don't want to say the answer directly. Come on.
Please.
Yes, Ishan. Correct, Ishan. Jashwita, this time I want answers from you. Srihari, how did you get that, Srihari?
I sent my answer.
Wait,
Yeah,
so
I'll check.
Miss Priya, I just have a question for the
Yeah,
formula.
please. Go
S-
ahead.
Do you divide by 2 or 3?
You tell me. Why are you doubting that? Tell me why that doubt came. Tell me.
It's just cause I thought it was like 2, but I remember from like some formula sheets that it was 3.
But you saw a video, right, Srihari? What did it say?
Oh yeah, it was 3. Yeah.
Yeah, clean. That's why if you see something, you'll remember it forever.
Okay.
No doubts there.
Yeah.
Krishiv, how did you get a 960? A couple of you are answering 960. I don't get it. How did you do? How did you calculate? Can you explain? Yes, Johan, correct. Shruti,
8
correct.
times 12 times 10.
Aha.
Oh wait, I forgot the 1/3.
Exactly. That's what everybody forgets in for the first two times. Because you'll all consider it as a prism and calculate by mistake you'll miss out the division by 3. That's a very common mistake.
Is
Don't
mine
fall
now
trap.
correct? Is mine
Yes,
correct now?
I'll check ma. Pranav, can you recalculate and tell me?
Yeah.
Srihari, recalculate. You have a computational error. Yes, Krish. Naman, correct. Jashwita, you said you send the answer, right, ma?
Yeah, I did.
Correct, Jashwita.
Wait, am I correct?
Vihan, I'll check. If I miss somebody, please tell. Vihan, correct. 1 minute. Why? Vihan, did you mean 320 in square or 320
Oh,
square?
yeah.
In square, right? Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Sresh, inch cube, Vihan, it's not square. We are not doing surface area, right?
Oh. But
Arya, correct.
what would you put for cube?
I'll show you. Okay, I'll tell you.
Oh, it's 3.
320, correct. 320 inch cube. You can answer it this way, or you can say 320 cubic inches. This is the best way of saying. Cubic inches is the best way of saying. Or you can put 320 and then a caret symbol. Shift 6 and then, 320 inches, then a caret symbol, cube. Make sense? It's called a caret symbol. Can I move on? Okay, now let's do. Give me a minute, guys. What else on? Yeah, I really want you to calculate. Do one problem. You have to give me a minute. I'll give you more time till the end of the week, but sorry about the last week homework thing. I'll please do the entire thing. Okay. Now, of a cone, how will you calculate, guys? That's a good one. This one. Let's see. I'm going to give this to you directly. You're going to calculate and tell me. Please, you can use a calculator. I'm not bothered about your computation, but I'm more bothered about your concept. Jamie's ice cream store is making chocolate covered cones to sell for Easter. About how much chocolate will be required to cover the outside of each cone?
Miss Priya.
Yeah. What are they asking here? Yeah, ma.
Never mind.
But what are they asking here? What are they asking here, first of all?
They're asking how much chocolate will be required to cover the outside of each cone.
Okay, ma, but what will you calculate? Will you calculate what?
The surface area.
Okay, good. You all know the surface area of a cone? What is the lateral surface area of a cone? What is the lateral surface area of a cone?
You just have to get the diameter of the circle, and then you use that.
The circle's a base.
Yes, surface area. But did we not do this last week?
I think we did. I feel like I remember this in the homework.
Yeah, this was in the
I don't think we
homework, but I.
I don't think we did surface area for cone.
Yeah, same.
Please go ahead, Vihan. What was it?
I don't think we did either.
At the end of the class, did we not do? No.
I
Okay.
think we might have done a little bit of it, but I don't like really
Okay,
understand.
no
I don't
problem.
think you did it fully.
No
Yeah.
problem. We'll revise. No problem. Surface area of a cone, can we split it into different things? Arya Sricharan, can we split into what surfaces? Surface area of a cone will be
A circle
area of the circle base, area of the base circle, and then
and then
area of the curvy surface, right?
yeah. Wait, 1 minute.
But area of the curvy surface is hard to calculate, guys. This one
But
you know
wouldn't-
pi r square.
Aren't you finding the lateral surface area?
Correct. So this is the lateral surface area, ma. But how to calculate the lateral surface area? Okay, I'll tell you guys. This will alone you'll have to memorize. Here, see here. This is the height of the cone. Please listen. This is the height of the cone. Okay. This is the radius of the cone. Correct. Now, when you think about it, the radius and the height form perpendiculars, right? Then how this thing, right, is called the slant height of the cone. I feel like we discussed this. This one is called the slant height of the cone. How will you calculate the slant? Otherwise I would have discussed in geometry class.
You use the Pythagorean theorem.
Exactly. Slant height is always marked by L. Height is always marked by H. Okay. Now, what is L? Can you tell me, one of you, in a formula?
Lateral surface area.
A square plus B square is equal to C square.
Correct. If I take it as H and R, square root of H square plus R square. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So please differentiate between the two. H, L and R. L is the slant height. Now, the curvy surface area is given by pi times R times L, not H. This L is the slant height of the cone. Make sense?
And the slant height, would you just do pi times R times 8? Instead of giving the number?
Correct. In this case, ma. But many a time they won't give it this easy. They will give you this. So what will you do?
So then you do H square plus R square.
7 square plus 3 square. Diameter is given. You will have to just take the radius. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Are all of you clear?
Wait, how did you get 7?
No, I gave you 7. What I did was, see, I put it as 7. Okay, wait. Let me show you. I put it as 7 here. Makes sense, Vihan?
Is that the slant height or the normal height?
No, the normal height I gave it to you as 7. I scratched this off. I asked you to calculate the slant height. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. One more thing, and then I'll let you go. Okay. Sphere is okay. How about this, guys? This one sphere I did not do, right? How about this? I want to see one more video and go. No. I don't want you to work this out. Tell me, how will you calculate the volume? Tell me, how will you calculate the volume?
You would
First, you'd find the volume of the cylinder.
Good, and then
But take out one of the faces, then you'd find the volume of the cone.
good.
You'd find the,
And you done.
you would find the area of the cylinder's base, and then you'll multiply it with 30.
With
30, the height.
With 30. Good job. See, that is the volume of the cylinder, and then you'll find the volume of the cone. So volume of the cone, remember, what will you do for the volume of the cone? Take it as a prism, divide by 3. Naman, are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay, take it as a cylinder and then divide by 3. Cylinder means you know the radius, you know the height. So volume of the cylinder is very easy, but then you can divide by 3 to find the volume of the cone.
And if they give you the slant height, you would just do the volume of the cone by itself.
Perfect.
Without considering it a cylinder.
Wait. there is some gap, Amma. Wait. Amma, for a cone, right? We discussed the surface area is pi r square, the base plus pi rl, lateral surface area. This is surface area.
Okay.
You understood where was a gap? Okay, good. So volume of the cone is basically a cylinder is base area times h. Pi r square, h is base area, base is a circle, times h, divide by 3. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Only the concept I'm worried, okay?
I have
I
to
know
leave.
we are, yeah, Ma, you go ahead. So what I did not do was a sphere, okay? You go ahead and do the entire PDF as homework. I'm not going to do, okay? I'm not going to keep you guys more. You do the entire PDF, okay? It's like 55 questions or 60 questions, okay? You do it, but whenever you come across a volume of a sphere, you can leave it. I want to show you another video and then do. Don't memorize formula, guys. Don't memorize formula. If you come across there is one question, I think volume of a sphere, you can skip that. Any questions for me?
No.
Okay, did you all learn something, guys?
Yeah.
Lady, don't memorize. Yes, that's nice. Okay, guys. We'll see you all next week, guys.
Thank you, Miss Priya.
Bye.
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 If you have
Thank you.
questions, bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.